Welcome to Akohub, where we simplify loyalty programs to elevate your business. Today, let's explore how to create a points program and enable one-click redemption. Before diving in, let's ensure you're on the right plan. Confirm you're subscribed to our Platinum plan or higher by navigating to the right upper corner. Click the three lines, go to Service Plans in the navigation bar. Now, let's give your program a unique identity. Go to the Points Rule page. In the Loyalty Program page, click on Points. Now, name your points program and currency, which will be displayed on your loyalty widget. Next, let's tailor the earnings and redemption rules to fit your business. Define how many points customers earn per dollar spent and the conversion rate for redeeming points into store credits. Now, let's define when and how points are calculated in each year. Go to Loyalty Program and under Settings, click Order. Choose whether points are calculated based on product total or include shipping fees and taxes. Define the conditions for issuing points and handle cancellations effectively. It's time to activate one-click point redemption. Simply go to Program, Settings, select the theme, go to Preview, and toggle the switch to enable one-click point redemption. It's that easy. Let's simplify the redemption process for your customers. Here is a preview of how it will appear to them. Customers will add a product to the shopping cart. They will confirm whether to use the points discount. Points will apply to the order. They will go to checkout. New price will be displayed. And there you have it. Now you're equipped to create points program. Get ready to impress and elevate your business.